My name is Professor Njenga Munene, the Vice Chancellor of ZTech University, and on behalf of the University Management, the Board of Trustees, the staff and students of ZTech University, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to ZTech University, Mang'u Campus, for the live set book performance. ZTech University is an ISO certified institution 9001-2015 and fully chartered as a university. It offers education at different levels from certificate, diploma, degree, and postgraduate. We also offer other courses, short courses, and corporate courses. This is part of our dream as part of the larger global society in order for us to lead the world to realization of the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs, and the Kenya Vision 2030. We have market-driven programs, as I had said, in all areas from masters, diploma, degrees, and certificates, as well as corporate training in the areas of ICT, in the areas of media, in the areas of engineering, education, arts and social sciences, business and economics. We currently have 4 campuses: the Mang'u Campus, where you are, which is the seat of the university, the Roiro Thika Road Campus, what we call the TRC Campus, the CBD Campus, which is in Pioneer, and we also have the Digital Campus, which is the online campus where you can study anywhere, anytime, in any part of the world. This is an area, a big potential area for any student or persons who have no opportunity to physically come to the university. And people can learn and graduate wherever they are. Our intakes usually are on January, May, and September. And currently, the intake for May is ongoing as well as for September. We want to be part of your lives, and we offer free career services, free guidance on what to choose and what you want to do at no cost. We want to encourage you to ensure that at the time when you are studying these set books, that you also have time to share with our staff on the areas you think are challenging so that you can be guided appropriately. We believe in offering hands-on training that will give you skills of real-world experience. That's why in ZTech University, we are very keen on networking. We are also very keen on industry university linkages. And this has made our students not just looking for jobs, but creating jobs. You may not be aware, but it is important to know that in ZTech University it's compulsory to do IT, and it's also compulsory to do entrepreneurship as part of the course that you are going to do. So it's my wish that by the time you come here and you finish your set books, you will have set your minds on thinking where you should go, and ZTech University should be the first consideration when you think about the courses that you want to do. Critical thinking, communication, and analytical skills are some of the essential things that are important in academic growth of any person, and it's also important for your social life and your future careers. I have had a chance just to scan through some of the books that you are doing in your set books. A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen. I have had a chance to look at Blossoms of the Savannah by Oleg Goulet. I have looked at Chozi Lahiri and Tumbo Risiro Shiba by Said Mohammed. These are very topical books which teaches you a lot of things about life. And the most important thing is to be able to learn lessons in literature but more important to apply them in your own life. When we talk about tumbo lisilo-shiba, we are talking about people who can never be satisfied, and greed has done a lot of damage to our country, and therefore we hope that you are going to be the generation that is going to change this country from greedy politicians and greedy professionals and greedy citizens to people who can care and give concern to the well-being of other human beings. That is what we have been called to do. So I urge you to take interest in what is on the internet. I didn't read the books, but when I checked in the internet, there's a lot of literature, there are a lot of videos that can help you do your even questions and answers on how the said books are supposed to be answered. So I urge that when you have your mobile phones and when you have opportunities, don't use the social media just for entertainment, but use it as a place where you can study. And I can tell you for sure there is a lot of literature, useful literature in the internet that you can use even for these set books that you are doing. So as you prepare for your KCSE, I want to wish you the very best and remind you that ZTech University is here to work with you in your academic journey and help you pursue and fulfilling your dreams and to have a rewarding career. I want to welcome you to ZTech University to come and invent your future. May you have a great stay in ZTech as you do your course books. Thank you very much.
ZTech University. Invent your future.